Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Be Italian. But today we are not going to talk about the Italian language, the Italian lifestyle or the Italian culture, because today I have a surprise for you. They convinced me. But to know what I'm talking about, you have to stay tuned. So my old friend Petra, hi Petra, convinced me to buy the food box. So finally I ordered one and today we are going to unbox it. So the box that I'm talking about is Gousto, and I'm going to show you right now. Da-da-da-dang. It's not very big, it's medium size. So if you're tired to get home and you don't know what to cook, you don't have inspiration, you're tired to go every day to the shop and think, should I buy this one or should I buy that one? Choose Gousto, because Gousto is the option for you. You don't have to take any action because the box comes to you. You have 4 recipes because I choose 4 recipes. So I have a variety of options and now I'm inspired. How it works. First, you need to go to the website gusto.co.uk and choose the number of people. You can choose between 2, 4 or a family option. You have a variety of options. So for example, if you're a vegetarian, you can choose vegetarian dishes. If you're too lazy to cook, you can choose quick snack or you can choose standard meal. Then you're going to select the delivery. The delivery, it can be tricky because you have 2 options. Or you pay a little bit more, but you're going to have a range in which you're going to receive the delivery. Usually I think it's around £3. However, you can choose also on Sundays and it comes free. So obviously you need to stay at home because the delivery is scheduled from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. I was lucky because my box came 9 a.m. So my day can start. When you chose the first Gousto delivery, remember to download the application, because with the application you can choose the recipe weekly. They're going to leave the menu open, I think, before Wednesday. If you don't choose the recipe, they're going to send you the recipe of the previous week, or they're going to choose for you. And they're going to come the day that you chose the first delivery. So in my case, it's Sunday. However, if you want to think like, okay, let's give it a try only 1 week or maybe 2 weeks, remember to cancel, because otherwise you're going to receive a box. I'm going to put in the comment section below my code or Petra's code, because Petra convinced me to do it. So thank you, Petra. You can save 60% for the first delivery. The second delivery comes with 30% and then the price goes up. Okay, so now we open the box and let's see what's inside. La la! Okay, to show you inside the box, these are all the grocery, egg, rice, pasta, noodles that I need for my recipe. This is the recipe. You can see the dish, the ingredient, because they're going to be there. They're not split for recipes, so you have to manage by yourself. And then here you have step by step what to do. So if I can do, you can do it. Then we have also a present. It's really cool, from Gousto. This is our main ingredients, so chicken, fish and whatsoever. To isolate the package, they put, I think it's Utah, I'm not sure. And then inside there are the eyes. So for this reason, this box can stay outside. And then you have the chicken, fish, whatever you like. So don't worry if you're not at home, because they can leave the box outside your house. It can stay outside. Then you have to put it in the fridge straight away otherwise. Usually they give you also an envelope with additional discount or promotions. For example, this is for wine. 50, cool. Then there are, for beer, drinks. Additional codes. Yeah, but they're pretty handy. I usually put it in my envelope and then I check later if I can get something free. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you want to try Gousto, go to the website and schedule your first delivery. I'm going to put in the section below my discount or Petra's discount. At least you can save a lot of money. But remember to do also your homework, because Mirko is coming shortly for you and I'm going to test you. And if I can see you that you didn't learn or you didn't study, a punishment is coming in an Italian way. Bye for now!